Hello everyone, my name is Sahil and I'm a real estate consultant. So today I bring you a topic on how a maintained society or a maintained flat will always be in a better position than a non-maintained asset, either it's a land, flat or whatever it is. Okay. So whenever you're making an investment decision, always think of maintenance. What is the maintenance cost? Because everything we own or we want to own comes with a predefined maintenance cost. For example, if you own a plant, the cost of a plant is very minimal, right? But we do have to put in a lot of efforts to maintain it. Either it's watering or manuring, trimming, whatever the things are. Like there is some set of cost or effort required to maintain that particular thing or a life. Same thing with our car. It's the car which are maintained very well have like a better life, and they doesn't actually betray you in, like, if you're going somewhere and they just break down. So a maintained car will always fetch a higher value in terms of resales also and in terms of day-to-day uses also. But when we come to buying land or owning a flat or whatever it is, we generally tend to run away from maintenance. This actually creates a bad example, because whenever there is no maintenance in a particular thing, then the cost, the resale value gets declined because it's not the best possible thing. So if you're owning a land, if you own a land or you're planning to own a land, so see where you're buying it. Does that land has some way of maintaining it? Because generally what happens is someone buys a land and they're like, I have bought it, and they don't bother it to look for it for next 5 years, 10 years. And what generally happens is a lot of unwanted plants get there, and it creates a perception in minds of people that the owner doesn't really care about it. And then the chances of illegal occupation, someone taking couple of, in fact your neighbor taking couple of fits of your land, or some creating their boundary in such a way that some of your land is lost. And a lot of people do their illegal occupations generally in these kind of non-maintained kind of plots or whatever. So if you're investing in a plot, see it is a plotted development of a well-known builder, so it will come with some sort of maintenance and it will keep your land safe and secure. The higher the maintained is the land, the easier it is to sell. And same thing in terms of owning a flat. So if a society which has a decent amount of maintenance charges, if the society is charging you extremely less maintenance, then there won't be any maintenance, because the cost is getting high each and every day. Cost of labor, cost of maintaining in terms of material, either it's planting flowers or having a quality of life thing, there won't be there. Having a gated system, like it's like a no broker or a my gate or these kind of tech, if you want to use in that society, then it will also come with a cost. Each and everything has some cost related to it, and the lower you think your maintenance is, the lesser the maintenance will be. And in 20 years or in 15 years, your society will look like something which is not in the best condition, and the desirability of owning that thing gets down. So the resale value also gets affected, and the renting value also get affected. So if one more benefit, like one of the most crucial benefit of high maintenance is that it attracts a certain type of a gentry into the society. And if you are someone who is an end user, so or an investor also, so then the kind of person who is going to rent it out or who's going to live there will have some set of barrier. Like this amount of person can only rent it, because the maintenance is quite high, and the people who are comfortable in paying that, there will be some level of income in that particular level of people. So that what will it will do? It will create an atmosphere for people to interact. So similar mindset, similar Start off people will be living there, and it can help them in their professional career as well also. So couple of things you should always avoid is never buy in a society or a floor or a plot where there is no maintenance, because the security is the number one thing which gets affected when there is no maintenance. There won't be any checks on who is entering the society, who is exiting, what kind of people are roaming around, what kind of things are happening in the society. There won't be any checks. And as security is one of the most crucial thing in our day-to-day life, then there should be some level of maintenance. So I hope this will help you in making clearer decision in whenever you're planning to buy. And this should be one of the most crucial criteria in your list. Why maintenance? Like, you should be asking a builder what is the per month maintenance cost, and then you can understand what kind of facilities will be there and how they will be operated. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.